Hello everyone. I think we have sound. Hello everyone. I think we have sound. So sound is there. Hello everyone.
Hello, everybody.
I think we have.
Let's take a look on the charts and what we will have for this Christmas. Let's run.
So sound is there.
Perfect.
I'm already buying the euro dollar, but it's moving very slow. I think there will be the correction anytime soon, so that may be the reason why USD may go into pullback very soon. We will see. Momentum, it's very slow. I don't think that because of the Christmas or because there are holidays in the next week that the market will slow down. I did that once in my trading, and there during the Christmas and when I was basically when I was talking to myself and saying that there won't be any setup because there are holidays and because I have read on Instagram and TikTok that people are talking about how market is different during this time, I convinced myself that there won't be any trades. And this is the time when I made a big mistake because I was influenced by someone else and I didn't watch charts as I supposed to. Because I convinced myself that there are not setups market, it's weird and so on, and that's the mistake that I did in the past. I will never ever do that kind of mistake in my trading anymore. So yeah, if your dollar will do some pullback, I will definitely take it. I will definitely take it. Here, somewhere there, I will be watching in this zone. I will be watching to add more. Currently, I'm in there. There's a small trade, not big one, but definitely this trade will be the break-even trade. I will hit the break-even with this trade, so would not take any profit because I want more. And if it doesn't go, I rather close it to break-even. It's much better. But this is just in case. This trade is just in case if price decides to rally up from there without giving me a decent pullback. So So yeah, this is something that this is how I will trade it. But pullback, oh yeah, this is the spot where I will watch it and load more and more into this. EuroCAD, I already have the trade. There's the trade that I have over there. A little bit like this, yes. That's the trade. I'm currently up 2.8%. We'll see how it goes. I still do believe that this has to push a little bit higher. Basically, my target, it's up there, somewhere there in this zone. This is my target. And yeah, I will be patiently waiting for it. I will even add more. I don't know yet. Currently, I even don't care about this trade anymore because I am at the break even. And when I'm at the break even, I really don't care. I almost forgot that I have trade over there. So I just forget. In case if there's the pullback, then I will watch it closely. So in this case, I can add more in into this movement to the upside. This movement I think will be developing this week. And then the next week, when there's the Christmas week, this may start pushing lower. I do anticipate similar movement like it was over there. So very similar in structure, very similar in speed is something that I do anticipate over there. This even can struggle there a little bit and go past the Christmas season, and then it will start breaking down after the Christmas session or Christmas days, these holidays. Between Christmas and New Year, this can give maybe good setups. But as it stands for now, I'm still a bar. We'll leave it as it is. Not big changes. Hello, hello. How's it going?
Thank you, thank you. That's the sixth sense.
So there will be some news as it looks like. Hmm. We will see some moves probably today. That's really crazy. NFPs today. That's very funny. NFP usually was every first Friday in the month, and now they put it on today. What today? Tuesday. So Tuesday we have NFP. So that's crazy. They just change everything. What was there for months? That's great. They changed something that was there for years. I do remember. NFP was at least like last 5 or 6 years. At least NFP was every Friday, every first Friday in the month. Now they put it. What is this week? It's the third week of the month, and on Tuesday. That's crazy. That's crazy. So guys, keep in mind so you will not forget on it. I almost forget because I didn't know that pound news were in the morning. I almost forgot. But basically, I forgot on pound news, but almost forgot on NFP that is today. Crazy. I cannot see more history. Crazy, crazy.
Very interesting one. Very interesting one. So yeah, euro dollar. Then we can see some move on euro dollar today during the NFP. So I do anticipate, maybe based on what I currently see on euro dollar, that it can go back down to the trend line and then it can start to react or give us some reaction and confirmations for more upside. Very possible. But I will not close the trade because I will leave it with the break even probably. Anyway, I have really perfect entry over there on euro dollar. My entry is basically exactly from there, so it just shouldn't be the problem. USD capturing to breaking out from range here. Let's see. Yeah, nothing special. I don't think this is about to go higher. Nah, that's still downside. Very, very downside movement. We may see some move over there. Maybe even NFP can push it a little bit up, but then definitely downside. So I will be trading after the NFP. After the NFP, I will have to relook at those structures and see how it looks. I want to see the reaction after the NFP, nothing before, because for me, news are highly manipulative, so I don't wanna trade during the news, but after, yes. During, no. There are some spikes and something that I don't like. My view Bitcoin. my view on Bitcoin is still the same as it was previously. Still downside. Still downside. Let's see. Very, very much downside movement. This is something that I'm keep watching for. We're going lower and lower and lower and lower. Definitely. But I don't see the buy over there. For now, it's keep building the cells that I look at that one. Sell, 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 sell. That can be completed. Or it still can be something that I was mentioning previously. This is the impulse. Now this can be the corrective structure. And now this can be 1. This everything it's 2. Basically 1, 2, and 3. And then going down. And then this everything together will be 1, 2, and 3. This is the most complicated way that I see it, but currently I really don't see it. I really don't see it like that. No, I'm not holding it for 70k. But this is really the most complicated way that I see it. It may not happen, but because there are no signs for upside yet. Look at it. Amazing sell stops are keep building, so that's amazing. Sell, sell, sell. Keep selling it. I really don't see anything else. Definitely. Bitcoin can go down to 50k. Definitely 50k. It's something that we can see similar movement like this one. This could be A, this could be B, and this could be the C. So somewhere around 60k, something like that. This could be next zone. How far Bitcoin can go? Something like that. Very highly possible. Even if this go for one new high, I still see it as the downside. That's not good for every crypto investor that crypto is drowning right now, but things are how things are. Bitcoin is jumping from the cliff. That's not good for any crypto. Okay. Not good at all. This channel line doesn't mean anything anyway. This movement it's similar to the previous one. The previous dip was kind of similar, so very possible. And these together can form a running flat. So this is the move, impulse. This is the running flat. And now we can see another run back to 150. 150, it's also possible. So yes, 50k, when the Bitcoin reach the 50k, 50, 60, something like that, it's good for investors. Definitely. That's good, man.
Are you trading the crypto? I mean Bitcoin, or are you investing? Yeah, these are. That doesn't mean if it is not complicated that it will work. I mean, trading anyway, it's more complex and complicated than it looks like. If it will be that easy, then probably everyone will be rich and making money. And the statistics that are saying 95% of traders still losing money. So this is the problem because everyone is searching for easy, not complex stuff and success that will come over the night. That's and then of course then there are these strategies that seems to be easy across the internet. Oh, you're trading Bitcoin. But then of course then you should be selling it already. You should miss the movement to downside if you're trading the Bitcoin if you're trading the Bitcoin, you should be selling it and trading those opportunities to the downside. That's great. Good catch. So you are having one trade only, right? One trade and now you're holding it. Wonderful. 2 trade 1 has been closed. Perfect. That's good, man. That's good plan. I think Trump will not made any mess. He can spike the chart but not create the trend. Trump doesn't has that power. He can just make a spike or pullback. That's all he can does. So maybe some insider can buy into the trend. So that this is how I watch the Trump. I don't believe the Trump has any influence on trend or how the market will be trending. There are much bigger guys that can Great trends. I think Trump has too much value from the air. People respect him too much, but he actually doesn't have that much power as people are talking about. Really, Trump has not that power. The economy is much stronger than the Trump can do anything. There are vast amounts of money that Trump has no influence on it. That's how I see it, that's how I perceive it, because I'm not watching and reading any news at all. They are too speculative. That's my view on Trump and all those fundamentals and everything. I think USD CAD can be very good setup after the NFP. After the NFP, there may be
a good opportunity on USD CAD. Right now, I'm thinking about, should I close the dollar in profit, euro dollar? I have it on profit, or should I be leaving it and leaving my stop loss at the break even? Because I think NFP can just create that spike, hit me with the break even for nothing, and then go into my direction. But if this is so, then I can still re-enter after the NFP. So my thoughts right now are, I can take profit, wait NFP, after NFP enter it again. That could be good idea. That could make sense. Or I can risk it. Leave it on break even, leave it what happens, and that's it. I'm just thinking. Ozian also in corrective wave in 30 minutes. Let me see. What did you say? Ozian. Did you say Ozian? Yeah, Ozian. I had the sell over there. This is my sell since Friday. I have it, but I caught it too early. I caught it somewhere there. This is my exit point, but never mind. Still profit. And you are saying that corrective wave. What did you mean? Corrective wave for what? Correction for sell or correction for buy?
I think you must be a little bit more specific when you are talking about corrections. I had very nice position earlier. Took profit earlier. This can go a little bit lower. Hmm. Or maybe not, that's it and he's about to break now. Very possible. This is the correction over there. That's lower degree correction, 15 minute. That can go. But I think this is not the spot where I will be selling it. No more. I was thinking to get back into this sell, but no, I will not. I want bigger pullback. You say if here anything look like double bottom with sweep, can trade in buying. Look for reversal. Yeah, but Yen, it's not looking like a reversal, man. Not yet. Not yet. This can still go lower. Just to break the low. And then it can change its way to the upside. But I think we can go more lower. Passing below these lows and then it can change to... No buy setup at the moment. I really don't believe that this is the buy stop. I mean, at least not yet. That looks very corrective and this to drag lower. These all are very similar in structure. Not a reversal trade yet. Hmm. I would really not love to risk my money over there. Man, I have the perfect positions over there. I close it that much here. I should have kept it over the night. That would definitely boost my profits. I will make more. Yeah, maybe. It even trapped the buyers. How could you say that? it can trap buyers as well, so that's irrelevant. Totally irrelevant. You cannot know which traders will be trapped. Makes no sense. You have no proofs of that, so. I'm not greedy. Why would I be greedy? I'm not greedy, never, right? Basically. But what's very funny is always when I took profit, I always watch how far the trade go without me, and I always check the difference in the profit, how much they close and how much is left on the table. Because this is how I look at it. I like to improve. I like to grab it more. That's my improvement. That's how I expand. I'm trying to still get the maximum out of the trade. At least if there is 30-40% more, then why not at least get 50% more out of this? So that's why I'm watching it. Greedy, you know how I think greedy, if greed is good, I always consider greed is good. And especially if greed is controlled, then definitely it's good. It's good to expand as a human being. It will push you forward. The greed will make you expand. It will make you motivated. But if greed it's otherwise is with the different perception, and the greed if it's not controlled, then yeah, it can be a problem. It can be the problem. Greed is good, I can say that. Greed is good. I won't be on the place where I am today if I will not be greedy, basically. But my greed is controlled. I know when I have to be greedy enough, push myself to grab more money, to grab more profit, to learn more, and so on. That and this is everything caused by greed. So greed can be explained on many ways. Everyone perception is different about greed. That's good one. Yeah. Hungry and greedy, that's something. And I mean, greedy, controlled greed with a lot of hungriness for success. Oh man, that's definitely a winning mindset. That's the mindset that will keep us going in trading. Definitely. That's good. As a traders, we are anyway a little bit crazy. Every trader is a little bit crazy. Because being normal in trading industry, oh man, that's not gonna work. We have to think different, we have to act different, we have to behave different. Everything is different as a trader, so we as the traders are very special. Greedy monsters, bastards. Yeah, exactly. That's why I agree with you. Greed with money management. That's perfect one. Greed with money management. Then this is equal to success. Definitely. Imagine being not greedy in this industry and trading small, trading few couple euros and so on. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's not even motivating. Then we will never expand as traders. If we'll not be greedy, we will be trading €1 or €5 per trade. What the fuck?
And this money is crap. Should be working then. With this small little mindset. That would be sad if people will not. I think everyone's having problems. That guys who are not greedy, they're not making enough money. If you're not greedy, then you are depressive. I think greed still has much more positive arguments than anything else in trading, especially. Good one, yeah. Greed, and hunger for success in this business. That's something we need. And patient. That's a secret sauce for trading. But I can say if I will not if I was not greedy till today, I will not be at the place where I am currently in my life. That's funny. I will be if I will not be greedy, I will be small. Small little guy without greed is equal to pussy. Saying my thoughts loud. Greed. Yeah, that's true. It's funny because it's real. That's why it's funny. That's why I'm laughing. What a mess over there. I have to delete this mess on the chart. On the chart. Yeah, we'll see. I will not watch it. Fuck that shit. I'm not in the trade. I will not be in the trade, so I will not watch it anymore. Fuck off. I'm still thinking about this one. I will take the risk and see if this will be the break-even trade during the news, or if this will be bigger profit during the news. I will not be entering. I will be just holding what I have currently. That's the decision I have made. That's it. I will hold it at the break even. And yeah, my final decision. I'm going through the NFP for more profits. Let's see. Or it will be just zero. Fuck that shit then. Imagine that there will be zero volatility, zero event on the NFP. Ha! That will not be the first time. That happened already. Happened already. Seen that. No, I didn't notify today in the Discord. Shit, I forget. I forget. I seriously forget it. Next time I will maybe I should place a scheduled link over there. Maybe I should. Or should I make a timing for live webinar so I will be there at exact same time every day from Monday to Friday maybe. Even on Sunday we can make some live streams as well to talk a little bit about trades. I think I can do that. This will be maybe even better for people that they can organize and join the live. Yeah. I was doing before a lot of those live webinars. I was more consistent with those live webinars in the past. I was seriously doing it more often. I did every Sunday there was the live webinar that I was holding. So I was very consistent about doing those live streams. I was consistent back then, yeah. I was very consistent. I wanna see how consistent I was. All this, yeah, 6 years ago. Ah, very funny. But I was very consistent. Every Sunday there was the weekly market outlook. That's crazy. And also the videos. Not videos, this was the Zoom and then I re-uploaded on YouTube, but I had live webinars as well. Oldest. Yeah, here they are. Consistency was there. 13 to 17 January, 20 to 24 January, 7 to 24 February. Yeah. I was showing up more consistently. Good one. It's good to look back on those past live streams. Crazy. There are many live streams. God damn it. Whoa. A lot of live streams been there. Crazy. Three years ago. Oh gosh. I was consistent with those live streams, definitely. Crazy. When is this NFP? NFP is the native. Oh gosh, I think it's 2:15. 2 a.m. and 15 minutes. I think as it was always. There will be 5 minutes. 3 minutes up and down maybe. 2:30. I think I won't be live streaming for the NFP, for the live NFP, because I will probably not be there in front of the computer. Probably I will go out a little bit. Yeah. 3:45 as well. The news. So shaky market. It's in front of us. We will see. Fuck that shit. I will hold it. I will hold it. I want more money over there. Anyway, a big profit over there. So hope that the NFP will push it. This one started to move. Good one. Full potential. 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Let's see. It's on break even. Both trades are on break even that I'm holding over there. This one buy and this one buy. They are on the break even. We'll see how this will go. I think this one has to go lower as well. This to go lower too. But it's very strong currently. You'll see. DXM may even hit harder. So I have the probability that the NFP can increase my profits. So worth of holding, definitely. Definitely worth of holding. Be right back. Here I am. Once again. Yeah, but I have to decide to do live streaming. Definitely, if I will decide to do this live streaming more often, then definitely I will be showing up more consistently and more organized. So yes, yes. The last run before Christmas will be very fun. I think this will be the moment. Yeah, this going down and then up. Maybe a couple of options are there open still. Hmm. We will see. Hmm. Very nice flag pattern over there. Complex flag pattern is developing over there. After the news, I would see their reactions. What's going on? I will definitely not be opening any new trades currently right now. That would not make sense to me. Opening trades before the NFP or during the NFP is something that I don't do. I'm opening trades only after the news. Because it's too gambling and too risky. Well. Sometimes I like to watch charts from the higher time frame perspective. They are less noisy and much clearer than they are on lower time frame. I hear a lot of chatter that they are watching charts and making decisions on lower time frame, but that's something I don't like to do because I think it's much more noisy. And making decision on lower time frame can rub me blind. So that's the reason why I don't like to take a trading decision or decision on lower time frames. I still like to make a decision on higher time frame. For example, 4 hour, even 1 hour, but 1 hour is still lower time frame for me. So yeah, that's it. I will probably end the live streaming over there. market, it's definitely waiting for NFP. So it will either move after the NFP, during the NFP, or something will happen. I have no idea what. But I will go for the coffee. I have time. Market doesn't giving me any interesting, so I have enough good reason to stop the live streaming. Enough reasons to stop the live streaming. Yeah, so that's it. To sum up everything, let's say once again, I will be holding euro dollar with the break even trade. I mean, placing my stop loss on break even, and that's it. I will be going to the NFP like that. So I'm expecting either more profit during or after the NFP, or I will be stopped out at the break even, so I will not lose anything after. Also, that's good. And EuroCAD, it's on my screen over there, and this is definitely where I will be holding it even more. I would like to see bigger profits over there. Potentially is much bigger. And as well, my trade is on break even, placed on break even, so I'm not risking any. I will be just patiently waiting to increase my profits by patiently sitting on my hands and do nothing. This is my plan for these two trades that I'm currently having. We'll see how that will plays out. Yeah, I really, maybe there will be even one more pullback on EuroCAD and then up. And then the next week I will be selling it if I will not see any other setup. So this will be it for today. Okay, so everyone, you know what to do. Trade with a lot of greed, a lot of consistency, control risk, control risk management, and that's it. Success will definitely appear. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and see you next time. Bye bye, everyone.